Hello everyone. Everyone knows me by the name of Miami Trader on Twitter, but this is Manoj and I'm just going to give you a quick demo of my autonomous trading platform that can do all the trading for me and I don't have to do anything else apart from just putting in the ticker names that I want to trade, and it's going to take care of the rest of the things. So this is what you see here is the algorithm, the autonomous trading platform that I built on the system. All I have to do come in the morning and put the ticker names for which I have for which there are analyst upgrades or downgrades or earnings or big news. And once I put in all the tickers, I can just click update and it is going to set all the windows with the right stock and the size and the direction it want to play for. The same thing I can do on another system where basically I have the same tickers but I play the short side of it. So if I go here, I can basically say I can actually do the same thing like here update, and it's going to monitor the same stocks in the short direction. So I'm playing both directions, long or short, based on how the day progresses. So this is all I have to do, and once I am done, I just click start algorithm, and it is monitoring the trades now through the TD Ameritrade API, so it gets all the data out of it and processes the data to know if it is the right time to buy or sell. So this is the only thing that I have to do, and it's going to take care of trading from 9:30 to 4 p.m. and I don't have to do anything else. And let's say like if I'm happy with the profits that I made on some trades, I can go and inactivate it, and then it's not going to take any long positions in that particular stock. So that's the thing about that's a small overview of the algorithm itself. And I can obviously stop the algorithm as well, and it stopped and it's not running anymore. So let me show you how it performed today and how fast my algorithm can pick signals, very similar to how Thinkorswim platform gives you out the signals as well. So today's trading day, I actually made a profit, or the algorithm made a profit of $1,500 on Dell. And let me just show you the same thing. The same strategy runs on Thinkorswim as well, but as you know, you cannot do automated trading through Thinkorswim platform. It's only to test your strategies, but you cannot trade it. So there is no way to automate it. So anyways, I found a way to automate the trade exactly how my strategy works. So if I actually right click here and I say show report, you will see that my strategy set to short at 9:34 a.m. and it told me to cover at 11:52 a.m. And if I now look at the Ameritrade website, you will see the execution of the sell short from my autonomous trading platform was made exactly at 9:34, and it did a cover at 11:52. So it exactly matched the report or the strategy that I had in Thinkorswim. And the same thing can be validated. And people ask me like, how do I get those signals real time, right? So I'm actually whenever it takes a trade, it's actually posting that to Twitter as well. So if I actually go and type in Dell, let's see, Dell. So now you will see there is a buy signal, or there's a short signal, sell short, and if I look at the timestamp, it says 9:34. So Thinkorswim platform told me to short at 9:34. I did at 9:34, and I also posted on Twitter at 9:34 to short Dell at 53.275. And later on, it told me to cover at 11:52. I did a cover at 11:52, and let's go back in Twitter and search for the Dell cover. And you will see here it made a cover. Not this one. And it made a cover at 11:52. So exactly at the same instance, it is basically telling me to cover here. I'm actually covering in my real trading account. I'm also posting to Twitter at the very same time. So this was for Dell. Let me also show you a couple of them where I made a lot of money. And one of them was above, right? So if you see here, I made one round trip and I made $5,400 profit on that. So let me load that up here. As you can see here in my report, let's show the report. So it went short at exactly 9:34. So let's go and see what time stamp did it register on Ameritrade website. So on Ameritrade website, you can see it actually did a sell short at 9:34. And I also posted that same trade on Twitter at 9:34. So it is basically posting exactly at the same time. It reads a signal from Thinkorswim, it basically does a trade, and it also posts to Twitter at the same time. And then you will see there is a cover at 9:51, right? So it basically had an alert here at 9:51. I actually did a trade of 9:51, and let's see here, I posted a cover at 9:51, and it also told me that it made a profit of 5,400. So this was the profit that was booked from my algorithm, and this was the same profit or very similar profit as reported in Thinkorswim platform. So this was the two trades where I made a lot of money, and the next one was PayPal, which had more round trips. So if you see here, PayPal, it said like it made 2 round trips and booked a total profit of 3,200. Let's load up PayPal. So my algorithm booked a profit of 3,200. TD Ameritrade said if you followed the strategy, you would have made 3,250. So it is pretty close. And let's search for PayPal trades. So here you will see it basically had a sell short at 9:51. So let's pull up the report. So if you see here, there is a short at 9:51. It made a short at 9:51, and it also posted the same trade on Twitter at the same time. So let's scroll down and see the first trade. So first trade of short was posted at 9:51. So all 3 systems are basically saying short at 9:51. And then it basically had a cover at 9:54, and you will see it actually did a cover on real account at 9:54, and it did post that it did a cover at 9:54. And again it took a short at 9:55, and you will see here 9:55, 9:55, and let's go and see on Twitter as well for that particular post of short. So here you will see it again took a short at 9:50, not this one. So yeah, so this is the one that basically has 9:55, 9:55 and 9:55. So it is basically posting real time across, reading it from Thinkorswim platform signals, posting it, actually doing a trade on my personal account, and then posting it Twitter at the same second. And then it did a cover at 11:30 a.m. and you will see it actually did a round real time trade at 11:30. And if I actually go back and look for the cover, you will see it did a cover at exactly 11:30. So it posted across everywhere at the same instance the cover position as well. So this is how my algorithm works. Basically it has a magical way to read the signals out of the Thinkorswim platform and do a trade, and also post it to Twitter so that other people can subscribe later on to this service. That way they get real-time alerts from the algorithms. As soon as my scripts register the signal, I'm actually doing the trading, I'm actually doing a post real-time to the Twitter account. So that's basically an overview of how my autonomous trading platform works, where basically it can do all the trading by itself. I don't even have to monitor anything. It can basically go long or short based on how the trend is going on. So if the market news is bad, it will pick a direction of the short and it's going to book profits there. If the market direction is bullish, it is going to take it to upside and book profits on the long side. It, regardless of that, it always makes money, and it constantly makes money all the time. So that is a good thing about it. And I don't really read anything from the earnings report, neither do I read FTA. My algorithm is machines, and machines are tuned to look at the patterns and find where this stock is going to go, and it basically plays a trend. So that is a quick overview. I hope you like it, and I hope some people gets motivated to build software that can do automated trading, and it takes out a lot of emotions out of the trade. It is more disciplined, and it can watch a lot of the stocks at the same time that you cannot watch humanly possible. So that's a good thing about this one. Basically, I can track 8, 16 or up to 32 stocks at the same time for the buy signals and sell signals, and it can do all the trading for me. So I don't even have to worry about looking at charts or anything at all. It can do everything for me. So that's it from me for today, and I hope everyone has a good trading week. Until next time, bye.